double hat. It really does. And now with the new phones that are coming out in November from Apple, the iPhone 12, the processor in the iPhone 12 is going to just put everything to shame in terms of speed, capability, processing power, and efficiency. It's going to use the least amount of battery power any processor ever has. Anyway, the point is that you have lots of information on that phone of yours because it is a computer. A cyber thief would love to get into your phone. The most popular move these days is to deposit malware on the phone so that they can see what's on it in your contact database. The people that you have in the phone numbers for them, and their social security numbers are yours. Their credit card numbers, all that stuff is on your phone. And these cyber hackers are good at this. Cybercrime experts predict that 1 out of every 4 of us got malware on our phones last year, and we didn't know it. Now, one way that you protect yourself and your devices is to use protective software from Norton. Norton makes something called Norton 360. It includes a VPN, a virtual private network, that hides your connection to the internet. Nobody can see it. Cyber hackers can't see your connection. They can't plant malware on your device because they can't even find you. In addition, Norton has webcam safety software. They have a password manager. Now, it's loaded, and these people are security experts since before there was an internet commercially available, when all they had to secure was hardware, like your computer. Now, no one company can prevent all cybercrime, but I'm telling you, Norton 360, they're as effective as anybody, and more so. Get Norton 360 online. One plan can protect 5 devices you and your family are using. It's norton.com/rush. That's the website, norton.com/rush. Save 50% off your first year's plan when you use my name signing up. Norton.com/rush. Okay, who's next? Danny. Danny in the Florida Keys. Great to have you with us, sir. Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm okay. Doing well. Thank you.
Well, we talk a lot about what the Democrats are going to do if they win. I think we're missing a very important discussion, and that is, what are we going to do? I think we only have 2 options. Only 2 if they win. One is, I think the ideological differences between the red and the blue are too great for us to remain together. There's going to be violence, and it's going to continue, and it's going to get worse. So I think that we're going to have to separate or divorce or secede or whatever, however you want to say it. And the second option is, I have to ask a question of you first. Do you think the military has been compromised?
Do I think the military has been compromised? Meaning, do I think the military is anti-Trump?
Yes.
I think portions of it are.
Okay.
I think that among the political general, look at it. The military is like every organization. They got leftists and conservatives in it. And I think you've got some leftist generals who are not warrior generals. They are political, and they are politically correct. And I think a number of them made it abundantly clear they hate Trump. This guy, H.R. McMaster's got a book. You got Mad Dog Mattis out there ripping Trump every which way from Sunday. So they're not hiding it.
Right. Okay, I just wanted, but like I said, I think that either the red and blue are going to have to go their separate ways to avoid violence, or I feel more comfortable with the military state than the Democrat state, as long as the military is Western educated.